Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wish list. I did this last year and I picked up 2 bags from the items that were on my wish list. So I'm manifesting and hoping that this year I can also pick up a few bags that I've been wanting and I've had my eye on. I'm going to get straight into this video because my memory card is doing the most and I don't want this video to just cut off halfway, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. So the first bag that I've really been wanting and I think is probably going to be the first bag that I get this year is going to be the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 with the bandolier oh my god, am I saying that right? Bandolier. It's the one with the strap, you know what I'm talking about. But I want that in the demier ebene print. And the reason, I was going back and forth about whether I wanted this bag. The reason being is that it's quite an old bag. It's been out for a long time. And so part of me was thinking maybe it's a bit outdated. But then I'm like, no, like this is a classic bag that people are still purchasing. And the price keeps going up. So the longer I wait and think about it, the more the price is just gonna keep increasing and the less likelihood I'm gonna buy it. I think it's one of the more affordable bags from Louis Vuitton, in that you're not gonna spend, you know, it's still expensive, but it's not extortionate. Like some of the other bags from Louis Vuitton. Like I know bags from with the empreinte leather is definitely more expensive than the canvas, which obviously makes sense. But I really love this bag. I wasn't sure if I liked kind of the style at first, just because a lot of times people don't have the strap, they just have the small handle, and I'm not somebody that wears my bag like in the crook of my arm. I'm somebody that either wears crossbody or I have it on my shoulder. But then when I saw the strap version and I saw how people were styling it, I was like, oh, this might be a bag that I actually do like. I want to get it in the demier ebene just because I don't want to have to deal with the vachetta. I know I need to find a monogram bag that doesn't have vachetta and has treated leather, because I cannot deal with it, and I want to be able to be carefree with my bag. So that is the first bag that's on my list. The second bag I have is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. I've been going back and forth with whether I want this or not, because I think the pricing is a bit expensive for what it is now. The price increased last year, it's probably going to increase this year, but I just like the versatility of it. Like it's not just a backpack, you can wear it as a crossbody, which I've seen a lot of people do, and I think it looks really great. I'm just going back and forth just because I feel like it's quite expensive for what it is now, and but what I love that is monogram, and secondly it doesn't have the vachetta, so I'm really happy about that. And so I've watched videos and it looks like it holds quite a lot of items for a mini bag, and so I'm not sure. If you have the Palm Springs Mini, let me know how you feel about it. I know a lot of people love their Palm Springs Mini, but I just think the price point now is not justifiable in my opinion, but we'll see. Okay, so I've got 2 more Louis Vuitton bags. The second one is the Louis Vuitton Odion. I'm not pronouncing that right, I'm not French. But this is the PM, and again I've been going back and forth between whether I like this or not. It's really tricky because I see it in some places, I'm like, oh that's nice, then I see it and I'm like, oh I don't think I like that. And I like the monogram because it has the treated leather, so it's in black, and so I don't have to worry about it, and then I can also actually own a monogram item, because I only have monogram SLGs. I don't have any monogram bags, so it'd be really nice to own one, but I just don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I feel like it's too trendy and it doesn't give me timeless energy, so I'm a bit back and forth with that one. But I have put it on my wish list because I think I need to see it in store and see how I like it. I think the demier ebene looks amazing, I love how that looks, but because I already have a demier ebene, like I have the Alma BB in that print, I did want to get a monogram, so that is another one that's on my list. That bag is not super popular. I haven't seen a ton of videos. I have seen a few, but it's not like all the other videos of like the Palm Springs Mini or the Speedy 25 or the Speedy 20 where everyone has it and everyone's doing videos on it. So I like the fact that if I were to get it, that it wouldn't be something that everyone has. So that's that. And then the last Louis Vuitton bag that I'm thinking of getting is the Neo Noe. Now, I've seen a ton of videos of glazing issues, and now I've been like, oh my God, I don't know if this is worth it. I really want I saw that they have it in the demi ribbon, and I really like that because it comes in like 2 different colors, like the interior. I'll have like pictures up here somewhere, but I really like it. But the fact that people are having glazing issues, I saw one video, this lady, she had it I think less than a year and she's already having glazing problems, and I'm like, I just like the fact that it's decently priced, and it's a decent size bag, so I feel like you're getting a lot of bang for your buck because it's a big bag, not a big bag, but it's a good size bag, but it's not overly expensive like some of the other Louis Vuitton bags. Like, it's way bigger than the Palm Springs Mini, but like it's a lot cheaper too. So I liked the price point of it, but I just don't want to have to deal with glazing. And you know, I've seen too many videos of people talking about it, so I'm still unsure about that, but I did have that on my wish list. And then moving on to Gucci, I really have been liking the Gucci Neo Vintage Gigi Supreme. I've seen a few videos on it, but I don't feel like everyone's talking about it, but I feel like it looks quite classic as well, and the price is great. Like, it is not the most expensive bag out there. It's definitely more on the quote-unquote affordable for luxury. And so I really want to go into the Gucci store. I think I might do a shop with me at Gucci because I definitely want to go into the store and try it on and see how I like it. I think the only thing that's kind of steering me away is the fact that it's more like a camera style bag, and I already have my Saint Laurent Lou camera bag, which obviously is a camera bag. And so I don't want to have 2 camera bags, but it is kind of different, so we'll see. Oh my god, I really love the print, and I think for me it's the price point as well. I think it's good value for your money as well, so I have that on my list. And then I also have the Gucci Ophidia Gigi shoulder bag. I love this bag. I've seen it a few times on Instagram and I think people have styled it so well. The only thing is that I feel like the shape is kind of similar to my Alma BB, but the actual obviously design and everything is completely different. And it's that classic Gucci vintage canvas that I really like. And I've heard that, I was a bit nervous that, you know, maybe the canvas might get dirty over time, but from the videos that I've seen, I think for the most part it's easy to maintain and easy to wipe off and things like that. But I really like that bag, and I like the fact that it's adjustable in comparison to the Neo Vintage Gigi Supreme that is just one strap, one setting. If it's low, if it's too high, you've got no choice because it's non-adjustable. So I really like the fact that it's adjustable as well. The next bag is more on the affordable side, and this is the Marc Jacobs mini tote bag in leather. So I saw these bags in the canvas material and I thought they're nice, but I just don't want to deal with that because it just looks like it will get dirty and just grimy and weird over time, and I just didn't like the way I like the way it looked, but I just didn't want to have to deal with, I felt like it was more maintenance basically. Whereas the leather bags, they look really premium and the price point is amazing. I 100% want to go in the store and try it out. The only thing I'm not too sure about is that I don't think the strap is adjustable, and it looks like it's a mini tote, but it looks like a big tote, and I feel like it might look weird. So I feel like I need to go into store and see what it looks like, but I think it's such a good price point for what you're getting, and it's super like classic looking. I don't think it's something that would go out of style because it literally is just a plain tote. And so yeah, I really like that one. I would want to get it in the black. I was thinking of maybe brown or like a beige, but I've seen the black and I think the black looks so good and just classy looking, so I definitely want to try that. The last bag again is affordable, and this is the Coach Pillow Tabby shoulder bag. Love, oh my gosh, love that bag, and again such a good price. I really love the cream color. I think the cream color is so stunning, but I am so scared of color transfer. But I think if I were to get that bag, I would know that I need to wear an outfit that wouldn't transfer over onto the bag. I'd have to be incredibly careful. It looks so soft and so plushy, and the leather just looks smooth, and it looks amazing. And you know, again, Coach is a great brand because it's not overly expensive. It's more in the affordable side, but that bag, oh my God. I think if I'm too scared to get the cream, then I'll probably get black because black is the safest option. But that bag I really love as well. So that is it for my 2022 luxury bag wish list. I definitely stay tuned, because I will be doing a few shop with me at perhaps the Louis Vuitton store, Gucci store, Marc Jacobs and Coach, because I actually want to go in store and see how these bags look rather than just buying it online, and I want the whole kind of shopping experience. So I'm definitely going to do those videos, so stay tuned for that. I'm probably not going to get all of these bags this year, but I do want to get maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3, but we'll see how that goes. But let me know what's on your luxury bag wish list this year. And yeah, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.